Broadcaster ka ba ng sama ng loob? Ako si Risa Singh Son Kaupeng. Magkapet, pandasal muna tayo. Si Vicky ay isang tao na ang hinaing ay walang nakikinig sa kanyang mga reklamo. But when friends reach out to give her an ear, hindi naman siya handang makipag-usap. Tila ang gusto lang niya i-broadcast ang kanyang mga reklamo at hindi iparating ito sa mga tamang kinauukulan. When it comes to conflict, the Bible is very clear. Jesus said, "If your brother sins against you, go and tell him his fault between you and him alone. If he listens to you, you have won your brother over." Hindi madaling gawin ito, lalo na para sa ating mga Pinoy. Hindi kasi tayo sanay sa confrontation. Mas gusto nating ihinga sa iba ang ating mga sama ng loob, imbis na puntahan ng taong involved at kausapin siya ng masinsinan. But that's what fraternal confrontation is all about. The goal is not to criticize or have a bull session. Sa totoo, it is to correct a person who is in sin. And how should we do this? Unang-una, dapat ginagawa natin ito out of love at hindi dahil gusto nating makaganti o malabas ang sama ng loob natin. Kailangan din natin ng pasensya. Because if the person doesn't listen to us and the matter is a serious offense or sin, Jesus said, "Take one or two others along with you." At kapag hindi pa rin nakinig ang taong ito, then we elevate it to the church. Sabi ni Saint Jose Maria Escriva, "To practice fraternal correction, which is so deeply rooted in the gospel, is a proof of supernatural trust and affection." Nagtitiwala tayo na ang Diyos ang siyang nagbabago sa atin at nagtutulungan tayong maging kawangis ni Jesus. Tayo magdasal? Lord, teach me to practice fraternal correction, not out of anger or vengeance or pride, but in humility and out of love for my brother or sister. Amen.